What's up, my people? After watching this video, you will be able to find a final amount in a word problem on exponential growth or decay. Let's get it.
Yeah.
First, let's go through some vocabulary. Really, the only thing that you need to know is that we have to use a formula for this. We have A is equal to P multiplied by 1 plus or minus R to the T power. Down the line, A is going to be the amount after your time T. Your P is your principal, which is also the initial amount. Your R is your rate of increase or decrease. And T is going to be the time in years. And obviously, you'll be adding if you're going to be increasing in value, or you're going to be subtracting if you decrease in value. Here's example number 1. An amount of $48,000 is borrowed for 11 years at 3% interest, compounded annually. If the loan is paid in full at the end of that period, how much must be paid back? All right, so first this is going to be mostly reading that we have to go through. So as we're looking at this, we're looking at compounded annually. Compounded is another way of saying we're going to be growing. So we're going to be adding in our formula. So again, our formula is A equals P1 plus R to the T power. All we need to do is substitute in all of the values and then solve it. So our P is going to be 48,000. We have 1 plus our R is going to be 3% raised to the power of 11 years. We need to convert that 3%. So 3%, if we put that in decimal form, that's going to be 3, move the decimal place twice. So it's going to be 0.03. So 1 plus 0.03 is going to be 1.03. We raise that to the 11th power, and then we multiply that by 48,000. So we plug all of that into our calculator, and we're going to get 66,443.22 ... And if we round this to the nearest dollar, that's going to be approximately $66,443. For example number 2, a certain forest covers an area of 1,700 kilometers squared. Suppose that each year this area decreases by 4%. What will be the area after 10 years? So again, we're going to look at this from the vocabulary. Decreases by means that we're going to be subtracting. So if we look at our formula, which again is going to be A equals P1 minus R to the T power, all I'm going to do is plug in all the values. My initial amount is going to be 1,700. So we have 1,700. We have 1 minus 4% raised to the 10th power. That 4% needs to be converted. So 4% is equal to, let's put the 4, 1, 2. So it's going to be 0.04. So we have 1,700. 1 minus 0.4 is going to be 0.96 raised to the 10th power. We use the order of operations, so we take the 0.96, raise it to the 10th power, multiply that answer by 1,700. All right, so we're going to plug this into our calculator. We do 0.96 to the 10th power, multiply that answer by 1,700, and that's going to give us 1,130.215. And we need to round that to the nearest kilometer squared. So that's going to be approximately 1,130 kilometers squared. All right, we're at that point. Here's a problem for you to try. There will be a link to the solution in the description. Please like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for taking the time to invest in yourself to make a weakness a strength. Ashe.